Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm working on two projects. One is my battleship that I showed you. Another is a work in progress. I'm making a 8-bit CPU that you can see because I have a playlist in progress right now on my channel. That if you're interested, you can look at it. In this video, one of the parts of my CPU is very complicated, so I probably will use the FPGA to help me so that I don't have to make it out. Today I'm going to show you the simple project that I made from while I'm learning FPGA and Verilog. I mean, it's right here so you can take a look at it. So let's look at this closer. So yeah, this is my FPGA and it's a Tang Nano 1K, if you can see it. Oh, I think it's upside down. Tang Nano 1K. I programmed rock, paper, scissors into it, so it's rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors. Let's plug it in. Okay, here's the USB cable, and there we go. Okay, as you can see, the red light turns on. Water's blocking. Alright, so that means like it's running. It's not like broken or anything. So let's say you want to do rock and rock. The blue light turns on. That means that it's a tie. Let's say you want to do, okay, let's say I do rock, then the guy does the middle thing. Paper. So rock, paper, I lose. This is player 1, by the way. And red means lose for player 1. So all these are for player 1. So red is lose for player 1. Blue is tie, and green is win. So tie. Let's say I did rock, and player 2 did paper. I just lost since paper beats rock. So let's do. I'm gonna do paper and rock. Oh, I win because paper and rock. Yeah. So basically, this is what it is. Let's go take a look at the code that is used to program this FPGA. Okay, this is my code, and if you look on top, this is the module. There's no reason why it's called toppers. I don't know. The first tutorial I read, it was top, so I just call it top. So if you look at this is the module top. This declares like all the inputs and outputs, and basically it says like rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors, like player 1 and player 2. So these are all the inputs, and all the outputs are these. These are just assigning like whether the outputs or inputs. If you look more down, this is the part where all the logic happens. So this is like all the possible combinations of losing for player 1, and these are all winning combinations and tying combinations. So if like any of these are possible ors, then you lose or win or tie. So then if we go down, it's assigns, which basically means like, because you look at lose, win, and tie are outputs. Basically just puts these like into like LEDs. So if you lost, then lose like lights up, which should be the red LED and the RGB LED on like the board. So, but there's also a complement because like the LED on board is like active low, so I have to like complement it. But yeah, and module. So I'm pretty sure there's a tool here. Yeah, schematic viewer, RTL design. Yep. So if you look at this is basically like the logic design of like my code, AND gates, OR gates. So yeah, you can not get to the end. But yeah, so my program isn't very complicated since I'm just like still learning. So yep. That was my FPGA. So if you're interested, I have a 8-bit CPU thing in progress right now on my channel. I have a playlist, hopefully, in progress. Yeah, stay tuned. And subscribe if you like my stuff. Bye.